When you search for best bridge cameras, everything looks the exact same. Same zoom numbers, same 20MP claims, same glossy product photos. But to understand which one actually handles real-world shooting, like wildlife or fast-moving kids, you have to dig a little deeper. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Minolta MN40Z. The Minolta MN40Z caught my eye because it's one of the few bridge cameras still offering solid specs at a mid-range price point, around $417. Its compact blue finish looks modern and it feels sturdy in hand. If you want strong zoom and decent image quality without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 40x optical zoom lets you get up close to distant subjects like birds or soccer players without losing clarity, and the 20MP sensor delivers crisp photos that hold up well when cropped or printed. The 1080p video is smooth at 30 FPS, perfect for family videos or vlogging, and built-in Wi-Fi means you can transfer shots to your phone instantly using the app. Great for sharing on the go. Face, smile, and blink detection help ensure portraits turn out sharp and flattering, especially in group shots. Now, some people complained about the lack of 4K video and limited low-light performance. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to compete with high-end DSLRs. For daylight shooting and casual use, it performs really well. The LCD is bright and responsive, but don't expect pro-level dynamic range in shadows. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist photographer or traveler who wants versatility in one package. Skip this one if you shoot mostly indoors or need 4K video. At this price, it's a solid value for what it delivers. Product number 2, Nikon Coolpix P950. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious zoom lovers, the Nikon Coolpix P950. This thing is a beast with its 83x optical zoom, stretching all the way to a 2000 equivalent focal length. That means you can literally photograph the moon with detail most cameras can't touch. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're into birdwatching, astrophotography, or capturing distant landmarks while traveling, this camera brings faraway subjects into clear view. It shoots 4K UHD video and supports RAW format, giving you more flexibility in editing later. The rotating LCD screen helps when shooting at odd angles, and built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing easy. Now, some people complained about the bulkier size and shorter battery life during heavy use. Here's the thing though, this is a trade-off for that insane zoom power. If portability is your top priority, this might feel heavy, but for reach and detail, it's unmatched in the bridge category. This is perfect for you if you're into wildlife, travel photography, or moon shots. Skip this one if you want something pocketable or mostly shoot in tight spaces. Despite the size, it's a powerhouse for the right user. Product number 3, Kodak Pixpro AZ405WH. Now, if the P950's size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Kodak Pixpro AZ405WH. Its lightweight white finish gives it a clean look, and it's designed for everyday shooters who still want serious zoom. The 20MP BSI CMOS sensor improves low-light performance compared to older models, and optical image stabilization keeps your shots steady, even at full zoom. The 3-inch LCD is bright and great for framing shots, and it runs on AA batteries, so you can swap them anywhere if you're traveling. Now, some people complained about the plastic build and lack of 4K video. Here's the thing though, this camera isn't trying to be premium. It's built for reliability and ease of use. For vlogging or family trips, it gets the job done without complexity. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-fuss camera with strong zoom and wide-angle capability. Skip this one if you need professional-grade video or rugged build quality. It's a great budget-friendly all-rounder. Product number 4, Kodak Pixpro AZ425BK. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for vloggers. The Kodak Pixpro AZ425BK. It bumps up the zoom to 42x and includes a rechargeable Li-ion battery, which is a big upgrade over Ye-powered models. The 1080p Full HD video is smooth, and optical image stabilization helps reduce shake when walking and recording. The 3-inch LCD flips out, making it easier to monitor yourself while filming. Plus, it supports large SD cards up to 512 GB, so you won't run out of space on long shoots. Now, some people complained about the menu system being a bit clunky and the autofocus struggling in low light. Here's the thing though, for daytime vlogging and general use, it's very capable. The black finish also gives it a more professional look than the white version. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator on a budget who needs flexibility and decent video. Skip this one if you shoot mostly in dim lighting or need fast autofocus for action. It's a smart upgrade from the AZ405 with better battery life and design. Product number 5. Sony HX400V. Now, if you want the best balance of brand reputation, zoom, and image quality, this next one stands out. The Sony HX400V. Sony's engineering shows in the 50x optical zoom ZISS lens and advanced 20.4 MP Exmor RCMOS sensor. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The sensor excels in low light, producing cleaner images with less noise than many competitors. GPS tagging is a nice touch for travelers who want to map their photos. You also get Wi-Fi with NFC for quick phone pairing, and 4K still output via HDMI, great if you edit on a big screen. Now, some people complained about the lack of 4K video recording and the slightly dated menu interface. Here's the thing though, this camera focuses on photo quality and reliability, not video specs. For still photography, it's one of the strongest in this list. This is perfect for you if you prioritize image quality, low light performance, and trusted optics. Skip this one if 4K video is a must-have. For photographers who shoot in varied conditions, it's a top-tier bridge camera. So which one should you pick? The Minolta MN40Z is great for budget-conscious buyers who want solid performance. The Nikon P950 dominates in zoom reach. The Kodak AZ405WH is ideal for travelers wanting simplicity. The AZ425BK suits vloggers better with its flip screen and battery. And the Sony HX400V delivers the best image quality overall.